Today, we're going to discuss the Axie Infinity Builder program. This is very interesting. I haven't taken a look at it, so the video is going to be really interesting. Let's get into it together. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button down below. Today, they're taking an important step in their mission to build Axie alongside the community. They would like you to build it for them. We're excited to announce the launch of the Axie Infinity Builders program. Through this initial experiment, we want to provide resources, promotion, support, and tools for community developers to continue building compelling, valuable gaming experiences on top of Axie Infinity that you see currently today. The background is in the past. This has happened before with some other games that have been created with Axie assets. And community co-creation. Community co-creation. The word community is key here.
It's me who builds community. It's me who builds community.
As a guiding North Star of the Axie Infinity ecosystem, it'll be a fundamental driver of scaled value generation over time. While they're aware that current documentation and tools for community development are relatively limited, they believe they can help most people get a good head start. Community's engagement in the Builders program will help guide efforts in making it a more and more easy to develop experience and tools over time. In short, the goal of this program is to further strengthen our community's ability to create gaming experiences and tools while managing risk to our community members and our gaming network at large. This is very interesting. Benefits. Teams that are chosen to be a part of the program will receive a minimum of $5,000 grant paid in AXS to go towards their project, with a total of 5,000 AXS, 400,000 in grants available to the program. So $400,000 is going to be given out for people to develop games using Axie Infinity assets on the Ronin network. That's very, very interesting. Guidance from Sky Mavis Engineering, guidance from Sky Mavis Game Design and Product, exclusive access to integrations such as Ronin SSO, Ronin Network Testnet, and Ronin Wallet, and promotion of their project by Sky Mavis to the community. Very, very interesting. So Sky Mavis is saying they're going to give you the platform, the blockchain, the marketing. They're going to lay out the red carpet for you. If you're a game developer, if you got a game you want to develop on the blockchain, you should be contacting Ronin right now. Hint, hint, solar bots or something. Maybe they're saying you have to use Axie assets here. Is that what they're saying? You have to use Axie assets in SLP and AXS. What if SLP, Smooth Love Potion, was needed to grease the wheels of these solar bots? I don't know. Just saying. Monetization of projects is loud and encouraging, but must follow these requirements. Oh, we've got requirements here. Maybe I should have read through this before I suggested that. Let's jump into this. Payment by players is done in SLP or AXS. At least 10% of all revenue must be burned SLP or go into the community treasury, AXS. The Sky Mavis team will help with advising on monetization models. Some example models include entry fee funded prizes. This sounds like gambling. Within PvP experiences, players can pay for entry fees in SLP, AXS that go into a pool. Winners take a majority of that pool. That sounds like gambling to me. Leaderboard winners. Players pay SLP, AXS into a pool to do a ranked run of the game. Try to get their best score. At the end of each day, players with the best scores will win part of the pool. Interesting. If there's no loss there, could potentially get around gambling law. New tokens or NFT. Players pay with SLP, AXS for new tokens, NFTs that can be obtained in the game. That's also very, very interesting. I like that thought a lot. If anybody can make a new game and include new NFTs that would be needed, bought with SLP or AXS, people can go ahead and click there to apply. We'll decide who to allow in the program based on the following factors: culture, goals, mindset alignment with Sky Mavis, evaluation of how fun and engaging the experience could be for the community, engineering assessment around the feasibility of the project, the technical talent on the team involved that has the idea. So remember, a lot of people have ideas. Not everybody can execute on those ideas. Execution is key. Potential positive impact to the Axie Infinity community and economy. Commitment to the project. What resources and time the team is looking to invest into it. Trust in development to not abuse their exclusive access privileges. This is very interesting. All of that makes very much makes a lot of sense. We will be reviewing applications on an ongoing basis and selecting new teams to enter the program over time. Due to this being new and experimental programs, we will not be accepting
Back, you twisted tongue!
many teams to start. You might be chosen in the future if you're not chosen right away. Example project ideas: Axie Tamagotchi, Axie Bomberman, Axie Tower Defense, Axie Racing, Axie Chess, Axie Plant. Basically, reinvent every game on the world using Axies. Got it. That's not too exciting for me. I know people do it. I know people will sync SLP to it. But like, my question is why? Why does somebody want to create and use Axie assets and have to pay back to Axie Infinity and Sky Mavis when they can just create a Tamagotchi copy, a Bomberman copy, a tower defense game, a racing game, a chess game on any layer 2 or secondary platform at this point, sidechain, and keep all their own profits? Maybe it's a lot of the help there in the development that comes along with it, but yeah, that's just something that comes to mind when you just list off exclusively copy projects. I think there needs to be something original coming to it, if anything. Public tools and resources, you'll gain access to exclusive tools, third-party API Explorer, and Max Brand. Wow, they just straight list Max Brand on here. Is he getting a salary? Disclaimer: the Builders program is an experimental program that can change anytime. We got that, all the general disclaimers. You can check this out through the link down below. That makes a pretty good video right there. Hit the subscribe button. You could read through how to form a project and team yourself, the feedback and building together, building community and all that good stuff.